Hey guys, Clayton here with Oxbow, and today I'm going to be showing you the wireless handlebar button for the Renegade X radio. Now what this button allows you to do is it replaces the push to talk button on your radio. So what that allows me to do is I can keep the radio on my shoulder and using the button, let me attach it to the handlebars real quick. Using the button, I can now push the button instead of the radio. Push the button directly from my handlebars instead of the radio, and I can talk into the radio. Now, this is where it gets really cool. If I want to go a step further, I pair the radio with a U-Clear system, a Sina system, a Cardo system, any of these helmet intercom systems. I've now got the speakers and the microphone in my helmet. I can keep this radio on my shoulder or on my person or on my machine somewhere. And now I can be riding, and while I'm riding, I can hit this button, talk through my helmet, and I'm communicating with my buddies through the radio. What makes this a super cool and versatile system is that I can also pair this with like a headset. So if I want to be in a UTV, my buddy's on a dirt bike, or just tons of different scenarios or applications you can use this for, I can now talk to my buddies who are on the side-by-side. I'm on my dirt bike. We can all just continue riding. We don't have to slow down. We don't have to stop to be able to hear what's going on. I can talk to them while we're on the move just from the push of the button on my handlebars. It's super simple. Every Renegade X radio we've ever sold is already pre-programmed to pair with this button. So all you're going to do, you turn your radio on, and I'm going to hit the Bluetooth button twice. I'm actually going to hold it down, so hold it down for about 3 seconds. That's going to turn the Bluetooth 1 on. Now Bluetooth 1 is for pairing to your headset, whatever you're listening to in your ears. And then I hold it down again, that turns on Bluetooth 2. That's for pairing to the button. Now that Bluetooth 2 is turned on, all I'm going to do is hit the button, and that's going to turn that on into pairing mode. So now I'll just give it a second here, and it's going to pair right up. Now it's paired. So now I can hit the button, and that's going to control the radio, the push to talk. So now I can talk into my radio, my buddies can hear me, or if I'm paired to my helmet or my headphones, I can have this on, push the button, just start talking, and all my buddies on the radios are going to hear me.